inside close up.
Yeah.
What you know about want some fuck and the girl can't roll up. What you know about that 3, 5, 4, 4.
Hold on. Bro, God, so what you know about want some fuck and your girl can't roll up. Buckla, what you know about quarantine? Yo, Richard.
Them have the street locked
down. Boom! Bang! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, aka the what? The Run Tune Boss. Copy Run Tune merch right now down below in description of the video. Guys, we're going back over Grenada. We're going back over Grenada right now. People, guess what we have right now? We have an artist them called Muddy. The song name Lockdown. Bumbo click the video name Quarantine Video. Bell people, I don't know what to expect from this as usual, but if you're from Grenada, please consider subscribing to the boy channel. You understand me? I'm gonna keep you updated with something that new what's going on in Grenada. We have the new artists them. It's a message of the upcoming artists. Everybody I forward over here. So you see me I say? So support the artists by liking them videos and come like my video too. And help me take over the entire Caribbean, which is what I'm trying to do right now. So if you're not yet subscribed to the boys channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and reach 20k subscribers right now. Now let's get straight to this video and see what's popping for this video, alright? Run tune!
Yo, Mud! Walk on, brother!
Yo, Mud!
But yeah, I say I must come and check you and make sure everything's safe, boy.
You know, you should.
Man, yeah, bro, well chop up and thing.
Yeah, man.
No, hold up, pause. Oh, bro, got guy in the back of the car and everything is coming. You go in the front, take care, go and build a vibes.
Real tough.
Run and make it.
Pass me sanitizer this too.
Yeah, man. Sanitize the hand, you say?
Quarantine video. Sanitizer.
No plane.
Telling you, say.
Man.
Yeah, just a pass and making this feel like going home and see what's going on, understand?
Yo, it's a blessing, brother.
Yeah, it's a blessing. Me touch on the elbow this still, man.
So you have to greet people that sanitize in the day. As if you can't, you know? Big up, no? Oh, quarantine, that's why in the back seat. Okay.
You check, because you're not the man gone by.
The beach parties end. The bar gatherings and boat parties end. During this period,
everything I get locked up.
Person shall remain confined
to
a place of residence.
3, 5, 4, from the boy them have the street locked down.
John no star.
Soon as the sun go down,
yeah,
everybody had to wheel and come again. What you know about lockdown? What you know about them things?
Yeah.
What you know about social distance? Make you can't be where your friends is.
What?
What you know about curfew?
What?
What you know about them things?
What?
What you know about can't link up, make you see straight out to a bridge?
Yeah.
Tell me what you know about no love. What you know about Hillman Cole, just a touch pan shoulder?
Yeah, I know that, but what I'm saying, you kind of, they want, like you want to take over the entire, you know, the quarantine. You know, must talk about quarantine and telling your yard. You know, money song. You know, must song make about staying home, right? He's like, he want to take it over, fam. Cause right now he's spitting bar. We know about that down. I know about to my shoulder. Yo, go on.
What you know about inside close up?
Yeah.
What you know about want some fuck and the girl can't roll up? What you know about that 3, 5, 4, 4.
Hold on. Bro, God, so what you know about want some fuck and your girl can't roll up? Buckla, what you know about quarantine? Yo, Richard.
Them have the street locked down. Soon as the sun go down,
yeah,
everybody had to wheel and come again.
Richard.
Load up a couple of snacks.
Yeah.
Roll up a weed, foot up on the couch with a glass.
Yeah. Buckla, no. Hold on, the dog said, roll up a couple of blood clean. Rip the weed with a couple of blood clean, dog. Yeah. Deal with the money.
Rolling through my phone with a mask.
Yeah.
Going through the media, I see the shit and the bad.
Jano.
Now I see the police bad than the virus.
Me not tell no lie.
Like them, dangerous like fire dust.
Jano.
Don't make they get you outside when the time up.
Don't make them get you.
Don't bother call from you, so even if you have signers, you will get your life minus.
Yeah.
3, 5, 4, from the boy them have the street locked down. Soon as the sun go down,
soon as you go there, when you go home,
everybody had to wheel
and come again. But them know about that.
What you know about lockdown?
Yeah.
What you know about them things?
Yeah.
What you know about social
Yeah. Shoulder. You know about this now?
What you know about inside close up?
Yeah.
What you know about want some fuck and the girl
Yeah, roll up.
What you know about that Fee-Fi-Fo from?
Yeah, you blood.
The boy them have the street locked
Over
down.
Grenada, we say people. Over
Soon
Grenada.
as the sun go down, everybody had to wheel
And
and
come.
come again.
Yeah.
Fee-Fi-Fo from. The boy them have the streets locked
Done.
Nobody hide, nobody run.
And the sun that come out, or them no more like done.
Guns, Fee-Fi-Fo from. Fee-Fi-Fo from.
The sun a
The
shot
boy them have
dog.
the streets locked down. Nobody hide, nobody run.
It's a bad. Me rate that song, that.
Fee-Fi-Fo from. The boy them have the streets
Locked
locked
down.
down. Soon as the sun
Goes
goes
down.
down, everybody had to wheel
Lock
and come
up.
again.
I know what I see. It's a good look. People, go and check out the original song down below in the description of my video. I'm going to support the artists. As you may say, go support the Grenada people and people. As you may, thanks for checking out my video again. If you're from Grenada, please subscribe to my channel for the latest scoop and for the most reactions on YouTube. You understand? We're going to take over the entire Caribbean. You understand me? Big up on yourself. Business inquiries, people. Email down below in the description of my video. Or Tyrekevlogs on Instagram. Surely check them out. As you may say. So, big up on yourself. I'm out.